problem. That would be your great grandmother that you haven't met yet.
Oh, you already opened your package, eh? Look at you falling for your heart out. Her first Mother's Day in years.
Yeah, first Mother Day.
Yeah.
Probably 20 years or more, eh?
33 with Harry, so
Wow.
yeah, so 33 years I would say.
Hmm.
You want in there, Luke?
Linda?
Let me get him in here.
Okay, and then go to the truck and get my thing.
Okay.
What she do? What she do with that?
Who's that from?
Candy.
Oh, yeah.
This one's from Harry and those roses.
Wow. Oh, beautiful. It's a surprise.
Those roses from Reggie. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Turn the other way. Sorry, I didn't squish your cozies on you.
Oh, Jesus.
Happy Mother's Day!
Yeah, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Just gonna drink them hopefully.
Oh my God. What a surprise.
Oh, I'm in just fine shape for work today.
Debbie says on the phone this morning, Happy Mother's Day, what are you doing today? I said, nothing.
Feeling sorry for myself. Sitting at home by myself, feeling sorry for myself.
Waiting for Linda to come over because Linda had promised to come over in the morning
Yeah.
at dinner time.
Nobody's phone, nobody loves me anymore.
Oh my God.
Sure,
Oh, he's jumping Jupiter. I
open,
thought, oh my God, nobody's
Watch.
open your,
never phone.
I thought about phoning and pretending that I was in phoning from home. Actually, I came in on Thursday.
And we've been keeping it a surprise.
open your bag.
Because we know I was gonna do this.
You're set. Open your bag.
This is for you. Here, juice. Here, baby, juice. Juice. No, that's not yours.
Nice.
Where's that? Was that bag in the car? It has her card in it.
Yeah, I'll go get.